Let me be filled with kindness and compassion for the one in whom you love and gave your son for humanity. Increase my love. Help me to love with open arms like you do. A love that erases all the lines and sees the truth. Oh, that when they look in my eyes, they would see you. Even in just a smile, they would feel the Father's love. 'Cause oh, how you love us, from the homeless to the famous and in between. 'Cause you formed us, you made us carefully. 'Cause in the end, we're all your children. So help me to love with open arms like you do. A love that erases all the lines and sees the truth. Oh, that when they look in my eyes, they would see you. Even in just a smile, they would feel the Father's love. So let all my life tell of who you are, and the wonder of your never-ending love. Oh, let all my life tell of who you are, that you're wonderful and such a good Father. Oh, let all my life tell of who you are, and the wonder of your never-ending love. Oh, let all my life tell of who you are, that you're wonderful and such a good Father. Oh, you are wonderful and such a good Father. So help me to love with open arms like you do. A love that erases all the lines and sees the truth. Oh, that when they look in my eyes, they would see you. Even in just a smile, they will feel the Father's love. Even in just a smile, they will feel the Father's love.